Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a workflow in the database system and how to run this workflow in the database system. In the previous videos we have shown you how to download and import in the database system into Eclipse and run the diagnose workflow as an example. Then in this video I will go deeper and to show you how to create this workflow. And also we have another video which is to show you how to create a task in the workflow, because workflow is composed of different tasks. So before that you have to create task first, then you can combine this task into a workflow. And we'll use the word count example to show you how to combine all tasks. And here we have to write our own workflow class, and which is extended from the workflow. And we have the constructor, and we have super will give the workflow name and the description. And also we have to override the design method, and in the design method we should create all tasks. As you can see here, for this workflow, so actually we have 4 tasks, because first we have we create one task and we add task, and we create 2 tasks we called add tasks, and create another task. So then after that we can add ages for these tasks. Before go deep to the structure, and I want to show you the visualization result of this word count workflow. As you can see here, this is the input for the whole workflow, which is the book txt, and connect to the file splitter, and the file splitter will connect to, it has 2 output ports, and each port will connect to the word count task. And the word count task has one input port and 1 output port. And then we have the last task, which is word count aggregation. It has 2 input ports and 1 output port. The output port will connect to the final word count result. So we'll delete here. So then we come to the add ag. So it's very easy to see if you go to the source code here, and it's just create a workflow age from the source file name to destination task, and followed by the import index, which is the destination task import index. And then we define 2 patterns to add ages. The first pattern is simple pattern, which is we have for the person task we have several output ports numbers, and for each port number, and we will connect to the children task input port. So if we see here, and you can see very clear, we have the add ages is from the from one parent task, and we followed by the output port numbers, and each output port will connect to the children's task, but the input port number is fixed, is 0. It means that for the children task we only have 1 input port, which is the case of the word count. It has similar idea with the join pattern, as you can see here, join pattern. So all the parents tasks we only have the 1 input 1 output port, and then it connect to the children tasks each input port number. So as as we have this kind of design, so we can see here we have the parameter which is m. M means the output port numbers, so the m should be equal to the word count task numbers. So, and also here should be changed is equal to 2. In this example we use 2, right? And as you can see here we always use 2, but actually you can manually to assign this number. You can assign to 5, and yeah, you can assign to 5, but you also need to change all the values here 5, and also you have to change the input port number of the word count aggregation, which is should have the same value. So in this example we will use the number is equal to 2. So but if you want to change all the value, you are free to go, and but you one important thing is that you should change the file splitter class and the word count aggregation class. Then you can see here we have the file see if we change to 3 and see here, and we have this class here. You have to move this compared class into the workflow task dir file. So because we have to make our code consistent, and so we'll use the class file to treat as our task in the workflow. So we'll change back to 2 because I don't want to move this task into here because we already have this class file. So all the class file will have the variable name is equal to 2. Then we're ready to go, and we just run. So the main method will show you 6 steps to create the workflow. So right now we just focus on the workflow design part. Yeah. So then we are ready to run this task, and we can run as a Java application. Okay, so we will run all the 4 tasks into one virtual machine instance, and the workflow execution is finished, and also the final result will under the workflow task lib. Refresh. As you can see here, this is the final word count output. Okay, this video will show you how to create a workflow and how to add edges to the between the tasks in the workflow, and how to run this workflow in the Amazon. You can just create your own workflow, and you can run this workflow and have fun. Thank you.